Okay, so let's start with physical healing, and you can test it. I always like to test things to see, and then afterwards walk around and see if your feet feel different on the ground and how loose you feel and how soft you feel. Let's do this. There's one that I don't remember exactly, so I won't show that one. But we'll start with these other ones. So we're going to do these little marma points to start with. So for joints, so the left hand. The left hand, let's take 4 fingers, and between the middle finger and the ring finger, put you go 4 fingers down, and then that 4th finger down, press that point 6 times. This is for joints, and you can do these multiple times a day. Your joints start to feel really good, like how you move and walk. So there's that one. Okay, let's do for the brain. So for memory, so for the brain, you take your index finger of your left hand and you touch the base of your thumb 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. For women, you take 3 fingers from the thumb side right here, and then they take that 3rd spot and you press that. So I won't press it, but it's for women's health issues, hormones and things. 6 times there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For men, you take 4 fingers on the little finger side, and that 4th finger spot, you press it 6 times for hormones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for testosterone. Okay, for the immune system. So the right hand at the end of the middle finger, press it 6 times. Whoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. For clarity and peace of mind, you take your left hand behind your head for support, and you take your thumb underneath your nose and you press it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you also press in the back? No, just the thumb.
No, just the front. And then take a breath and then relax. And then this is for deep inner peace and stillness. So you take your index finger of your right hand and you press it right between your eyebrows, a little above your eyebrows and then between your eyebrows, and press it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take a breath and relax. And then this time press and release. And then after each press and release, take a breath and do it 6 times. That feels great. And then we'll run through them again, because you can do them multiple times. You can do them all day long. And what I've been noticing with these is I used to wake up a little nervous of some of the uncertainty of what's going on with things. And I don't wake up like that anymore. I'm just at peace. So it's really working well for me. And then also lots of miracles showing up. We'll do these do these again. And so the joints, 4 fingers between your ring finger and your middle finger, and the 4th finger down, press and release 6 times for the joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the memory, for the brain, index finger of the left hand goes and touches the base of the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For women, it'll be 3 fingers down on the thumb side, that spot. For men, it'll be 4 fingers down on the little finger side, and we'll press and release 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the middle finger of the right hand is for the immune system, the very tip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for that piece, inner piece, press the thumb underneath the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take a breath and relax. And then the index finger of the right hand on the spot right between your eyebrows and a little above your eyebrows, and we'll press and release 6 times and then take a breath and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take a breath and relax. And then press and release 6 times and take a breath in between each one. You can make that a routine and do it throughout the day, 6 to 9 times a day or more. And it's really helping a lot for my physical body and for clarity and peace of mind. And like I said, I don't wake up with that kind of like nervous, like uncertainty feeling about certain things that I'm working on. So so try it if you like. And now this is now we're going to go straight into the one so you can know what you want and help you achieve it and help you enjoy it. It's to help you know who you are and what your purpose is. And we're going to bypass the conscious mind with these points. So we're going to start with the white window frame that your right eye is looking through, and then take your index finger of your right index finger, and squeeze the end of it, the distal segment, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you ask that question, what do you want? And see that through your right eye's white window frame, you getting everything you want. What do you want? And then take your right hand and pat your heart 6 times. Your fingers are close to your left shoulder. Pat your heart 6 times and think very good. And then that distal end of the right index finger, but a little closer, a little closer to the knuckle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you want? See that through the right eye, the white window frame. What do you want? And see it as if you already have it, of course. And then take your right hand and pat your heart 6 times and think very good. And then take your right index finger, the middle segment, and squeeze it 6 times. And having all of that, what will you do and who will you be? See that through the right eye, white window frame. What will you do and who will you be? And then take your right hand and pat your heart 6 times and think very good. And then take the proximal segment of your right index finger and squeeze and release 6 times. And having all of that, what will your life look like? What do you want your life to look like? And see that. What will your life look like? What do you want your life to look like? And then take your right hand and pat your heart 6 times and think very good. And then squeeze the distal end of the right index finger 6 times. And if you knew you only had 6 months to live, what would you most want to do or be? And if you knew you couldn't fail, what would you most want to do or be? And if you had $10 million in your bank account and you didn't have to work another day in your life, what would you most want to do or be? And then take your right hand and pat your heart 6 times and think very good. And then let go of your thoughts and go in your body and just notice, just watch. Notice the most intense part of the most intense part. And just follow it. And if you like, you can use those other points, either the top point on the sternum or the belly button or both of them, and butterfly lightly touch and bring it up to the sky. And then keep your attention in your body and notice the most intense part and just follow it. And then take one of your hands, and when you follow it, just touch it very lightly on the skin and then follow it. See out your thoughts. Stay in your body. Let go of all unnecessary thoughts. Feel your body inwardly. That's right. That's right. You're doing great. Stay out of your thoughts. Stay in your body. Notice the most intense part. And then let's finish this part with something for physical healing again. Let's touch the belly button and the top of the sternum super lightly bring it up to the sky, and then turn your body to one side, the non-dominant side. So if you're right-handed, turn it to the left. If you're left-handed, turn it to the right. And then bring your eyes back to the center and then relax. And bring your eyes back to the center and relax. And bring your eyes back to the center and relax. And then turn to the other side. If you're right-handed, you're turning to the right. If you're left-handed, you're turning to the left. And then the eyes back to the center and relax. And the eyes to the center and relax. And the eyes to the center and relax. And then come back to the middle, and we'll just sit in some more stillness for a bit. Notice the most intense part. Just touch it. Okay, that's great work. So I'll turn off this part of the recording. You'll still get the full recording, and then I'll stick this one underneath the portal, underneath today's date for the Atomic Success Secrets.